What are pet microchips, and should my dog have one? How your dog could benefit from a microchip implant. It seems like each day there's another story in the report about lost pets. While a large portion of these pets is at last found, because of the wonders of microchipping and social media, a few pets are not really fortunate. That is the reason an ever-increasing number of pet owners are deciding to have their canines microchipped. It's only another method for keeping your shaggy companion safe and sound. What is a microchip? A microchip is a little electronic gadget used to store data and software. Microchip are made of silicon, which is a kind of semiconductor. Microchip are much of the time utilized in PCs, cell phones, and other electronic gadgets. Microchips are made by scratching little examples onto a silicon wafer. The wafer is then cut into little chips, which are frequently bundled and bound onto circuit boards. Computer chips are tiny. Most are under 1 square millimeter, making it conceivable to embed into a little piece of glass or plastic that can be implanted into pets. What is pet microchipping? Pet microchips are small devices that are inserted under a pet's skin. When embedded, the chip can be scanned, and the data put away on it tends to be gotten to by animal shelters, vets, and different associations that work with lost or found pets. This data can assist with rejoining pets with their families substantially more rapidly and effectively than if they were just wearing a collar and tag. How does pet microchipping work? Most microchips utilized in animals are about the size of a grain of rice and are made of glass or plastic. Microchipped pets contain an exceptional distinguishing identification number and the contact data for the owner or guardian of the pet. At the point when a microchip scanner is past the chip, it conveys a radio signal that is gotten by the scanner. This sign is then changed over into text, which can be perused by a PC. The benefits of having a pet microchip implanted in your dog. Microchipping canines most certainly has its pros. That is the reason so many canine owners pick in for canine chipping. A portion of the advantages of chipping a canine include: microchips are a form of identification for your pet. If your pet gets lost, the chip can help to reunite you with them quickly and easily. Microchips are often used by animal shelters and other organizations that work with lost or found pets. Most microchips contain the contact information of the owner or caretaker of the pet, so anyone who finds your pet can quickly get in touch with you. Microchips are permanent, unlike collars and tags, which can be lost or removed. Microchips are relatively inexpensive and easy to implant. The risks of having a pet microchip implanted in your dog. However, there are many advantages of embedding a microchip in your pet. The inquiry is: are pet microchips safe? Here are a few risks of pet chipping you ought to know about. Chips can migrate or get stuck. Chips can cause an inflammatory reaction. Chips can malfunction or cause infection. Pets may be injured during the implantation procedure. In spite of the possible dangers, microchips are as yet considered safe for pets. As a rule, the advantages of having a microchip offset the dangers. Assuming that you're thinking about having your pet microchipped, converse with your veterinarian about the most ideal way to proceed. So, should your canine have a microchip? The response is most certainly yes. In fact, it's turning out to be increasingly more typical for pet owners to have their canines, as well as their felines, microchipped. What's more, justifiably, microchipping can assist with expanding the possibilities being brought together with your darling pet in the event that he or she gets lost.